Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am back with a new video. In this video, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to open real account on MetaTrader 5. So without any further delay, let's get started. First thing, you have to install the application. So go to your Play Store, on the search box, type in MetaTrader 5 and install the application. Once done installing, click the open button and it's gonna direct you to the page where you could actually go ahead and start with a demo account. So by default, it's gonna be a demo account so that you are a beginner and you could actually learn. So then the demo account does not include the real money. If you wanna open a real account, you just need to tap the try bar icon and click the get started button. But then, in order to get started with the MetaTrader 5 or the real account, you need to have a brokerage account. So if you want to know what is actually a brokerage, then as per the MetaTrader, a brokerage in MetaTrader is a company that provides services like market deed, order executions, and trading account as well. Now you need a brokerage to use MetaTrader 5 in order to trade with the real money. So if you're wondering how you could find a brokerage for MetaTrader 5, is that you need to check regulation, that is, look for the broker that regulates by financial authorities like Financial Conduct Authority in the UK, and you need to consider the fees as well and check the platform compatible as well. In order to add it, or if you already have a brokerage, then you just need to click on the find broker and then you need to go ahead and type in their name, such as, let's say this is the one. So if you could go with any of these, just press on it and now you just need to go ahead and start with the procedure. So let's say I'm gonna go with this one. Already have a brokerage, then you'll be able to proceed on to the next step in order to begin with the real account. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.